All right, here we are on another little project. So what we have here is
The power of the dark side.
So here we have the Greenworks 16-inch brushless 40-volt chainsaw. So it's battery powered. Huh. A 2-year battery warranty and a 4-year warranty. Boy, that's pretty good. Typically, a tool doesn't last in my hand more than a couple of weeks because I'm pretty hard on them. So it's been a while since I've had an electric chainsaw, and the last one you couldn't cut much before you ran out of battery power. So this is 40 volt. Once again, the Greenworks. Pretty big box. So I bought this because of the deal, not because I actually was needing a chainsaw at the time. But the last time I needed a chainsaw, which is quite often, I spent more time screwing around with it than I did doing the cutting, because I was having a problem with the gas line. So that will not happen with this one. So we're going to see what happens. So we'll take it out of the box, and then we'll find us a project and do some cutting. Alright, so it looks like you can use it in some lawnmowers and a snow blower. Well, I mean, it looks like they've got a lot of tools to choose from, so maybe I'll buy some more and see what kind of home improvements we can do. So here we have it in the box. There's going to be the battery. Alright, that's nice. Got a little bag, a little carry case. That's pretty cool. Alright, yeah, that's kind of cool. Alright. Let me not giggle too much here. Let's throw it over here and see if I can keep from giggling. Alright, there's your chainsaw pouch. I couldn't do it. Do with it what you will. But use everything else for the chainsaw. So here's your battery. Boy, look at that thing. Wow, that's awesome. Let's see. Battery charger. Now that's what's so great about this particular tool that I have purchased. I paid about $150 for it. And it comes with the battery and charger. And the one that comes without the battery and the charger, I think, is about $150. So I got the one with the battery and the charger for about the same price as the one that most people pay for the one without the battery and charger. So isn't that fantastic? Boy, it feels pretty good. It feels about almost as heavy as my gas powered chainsaw. All right, so let's see, can we see the blade? Obviously this is an impromptu unboxing. All right, yeah, it's a real blade, it's not plastic. All right, well now, okay, from the looks of it, that is not bad looking. So we're going to use it. We'll charge the battery up. We'll see what happens. And then after that, we'll see what happens some more. Okay, so I've got the battery fully charged, and there's the tool out of the box. The on button is right here on the handle. I'll tell you what, this thing has got some heft to it. I didn't look at the weight of the box, but it feels good in the hand. So there's your power. This is where your bar and chain oil will go, and of course I will tell you to use vegetable oil, and then tell you not to call me if you have a problem, which you won't. Alright, so here we go. I haven't found a project. This is one of the unusual circumstances where I have the tool before I have the project. Usually I have the project before I have the tool. So we'll find us a project, but let's see if it works. So I'm going to push the button with my thumb, and then here we go. Dang. How about our first project as we cut the phone in half with the saw? That's the kind of video that gets lots of hits. Alright. Okay, here's the deal. Right now I can still sell this as brand new. The second I cut something, it's used.